Let's take a look at the Battle-Born Base Series 10 amp hour lithium battery. This is the smallest battery in the Base Series lineup, designed for compact, low-power applications where reliability, safety, and long service life matter. It's built for systems that need dependable, stored energy in a small footprint, not high surge or engine starting performance. Let's open it up. Inside, you will find the Base Series 10 amp hour 12 volt lithium battery itself. You'll also find a quick reference postcard. That card includes a QR code that links directly to the full product manual and setup information. We always recommend scanning before installation so you're working from the latest guidance. That's it. No extra accessories or required add-ons. The battery is designed to integrate directly into properly designed low-power systems. Looking at the battery itself, the first thing you'll notice is the compact size. It's designed as a direct drop-in lithium upgrade for standard 1270 form factor sealed lead-acid batteries, including common models like the UB1280. Despite the small footprint, the enclosure is rugged and designed for real-world use in mobile, outdoor, and light industrial environments. At just over 2.5 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, especially compared to traditional lead-acid batteries in the same size category. On top, you'll see standard F2 spade terminals, which are commonly used in smaller electronics and low-power systems and make installation quick and straightforward. Electrically, this is a 12-volt, 10 amp hour lithium iron phosphate battery, providing about 128 watt-hours of usable energy. Because it's lithium, nearly all of that capacity is usable, and the battery maintains a stable voltage throughout discharge. That consistency helps connected devices perform more reliably. Internally, the battery uses cylindrical lithium iron phosphate cells selected for long cycle life, thermal stability, and safety. Inside the battery is an integrated battery management system, or BMS. The BMS is designed to protect the battery from overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and temperature extremes. Those protections help the battery operate safely and predictably when used within its intended design parameters. That said, the BMS is not meant to replace proper system design. We still recommend staying within the published specifications for charging, discharging, and operating temperature to ensure optimal performance and long service life. Because of its size and electrical characteristics, the Base Series 10 amp hour battery is intended for low-power energy storage applications. It is not designed for cold cranking or high inrush current applications such as starting engines. Where it really shines is in applications like fish finders and sonar systems, ice fishing and portable outdoor electronics, small solar lighting and charging systems, electric scooters and lightweight mobility devices, sensors, robotics, and compact industrial equipment, backup power for small electronics and control systems. In these types of systems, long cycle life, stable voltage, and reliability are what matters most. The Base Series 10 amp hour battery is rated for thousands of charge cycles, delivering long service life in properly designed applications. It's backed by a 5-year warranty and Battle-Born's US-based support team. The Battle-Born Base Series 10 amp hour battery delivers dependable lithium performance in a compact, lightweight package. For low-power systems that need consistent voltage, long cycle life, and reliable energy storage, it's a straightforward solution designed to perform day after day.